Dear children, let's see about the figures of speech used in the poem The River. First one is epithet. In these lines, the words little, swelling, brimming, and headlong describe the quality of a river. So, the poetess used the figure of speech epithet here. Let's see what is an epithet. An epithet is a word or phrase which describes the main quality of someone or something. For example, a happy person. Next one is simile. In this line, the poetess is comparing the river with the human being using the word like. So, the figure of speech is simile. She is comparing the flow of river with a child at play, impetuous youth, mortal prime, and eternity. Let's see what is simile. A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two things. Similes differ from metaphors by highlighting the similarities between two things using words such as like or as, while metaphors create an implicit comparison. Next one is anaphora. See that line hath never sounded, see that sail hath never rounded. In these two lines, the words like see that, repeated the beginning of these two lines, so that the figure of speech is anaphora. Let's see what is anaphora. Anaphora is a figure of speech in which words repeat at the beginning of successive clauses, phrases, or sentences. Next one is imagery. Let's see what is imagery. Imagery means to use figurative language to represent objects, actions, and ideas in such a way that it appeals to our physical senses. Usually, it is thought that imagery makes use of particular words that create visual representation of ideas in our minds. The word imagery is associated with mental pictures. So here the poetess used over the yellow pebbles dancing to create an image of the river was flowing over the yellow pebbles, and it's looked like they were dancing. Okay, so that the figure of speech is imagery here. Next one. In this poem, the rhyme scheme A, B, C, C, B is used. I hope you have understood this. Thank you, children.